Hey there, Sherry here. Welcome to today's 2 on Tuesday. Each week I share a powerful 2-minute tip that when implemented in your business will dramatically increase your productivity, your revenue, and the ease and success you enjoy in your business. So today I want to talk about infographics. Infographics are a great way to present information in a visual way. They are great to explain numbers or statistics, and they're also great if you have a lot of visual information or pictures that you can use to describe the information that you're trying to convey. Now, infographics are so powerful, and they work really well as far as a free gift. Now, here are some examples of infographics that I've used or have actually gotten for our information within my business. The problem with infographics is that they have to be designed. And I don't know about you, but oftentimes you need a graphic designer to do this because I'm certainly not a graphic designer, and that can get expensive and time consuming. So what do you do when you want to create an infographic, but you really don't want to hire a graphic designer? Well, to make it easy, there's now a program where you can get infographic templates. It's called Venngage, and it's what I want to show you today. Now, Venngage offers ready-to-create templates for all kinds of infographics. And I want to go into the program now and show you what I'm talking about. So here we are at the Venngage homepage. Now, Venngage has a free account that you can sign up for that will give you access to limited templates and limited numbers of infographics you can create, but it's a great way to get started. And oftentimes you don't create a ton of these different infographics. So the first thing that you'll see is that you can click on templates here, and you get all kinds of different templates that you can use for infographics. You can also search by category. So on the left-hand side here, you'll see that, for instance, one of the ones that I use quite a bit is called process. This is great if you have like a 5-step process that you want to use, and you can look at different templates and see kind of which one you like. For instance, this one right here, I have used before as a starting point template for a 5-step process. And there's just all kinds of different ones here that you can use. This one has an 8-step process, so you can start by kind of looking at how many steps you have, for instance, and then choose the template that you want to use. And once you choose the template, then you have the ability to make changes. So let's say I like this 4-step template here. I can just hit create, and Venngage will actually create my first step template. I can go in now and I can click on any of these different boxes and elements, and I can make changes. I can change the photo that I want to use here. I can change the copy, of course, and then I can save it and actually publish it. You'd hit publish here and publish it as a PDF so that you can then share it with others. So again, this is a great way. I'm going to go back to the home page here. You can see how many different kinds of templates that they have, from lists to, if you're in real estate or a particular industry, even they have some specific ones presenting statistical data, geographic data, all kinds of different things that you can play with here. So I would really invite you to create a free Venngage account and just do some playing, because infographics can be a great way to create a first free gift. You don't have to have a lot of information, they don't take a lot of time, and this is a great way to do it free and not have to hire a graphic designer to do it. So I hope you enjoy playing with Venngage and creating that first infographic. That's it for this week's 2 on Tuesday. I'll see you next week.